Now there's multiple factors that a long-term disability insurance company will consider when doing a buyout. The number one factor is whether or not the carrier thinks they're going to have to pay you for the maximum period of your disability policy. Number two, whether or not the carrier thinks you're going to live until the end of the maximum benefit period. And number three is the value of your policy throughout the maximum benefit period. What that means is that the disability carrier is going to look to pay you the present value of your long-term disability policy. Clients usually ask me when they call me, what's my policy worth? And the way that long-term disability carriers buy out policies is that they buy out for present value dollars, which means if your benefit was going to pay you $100,000 a year and you had another 10 years remaining on your policy isn't worth $1 million, which would be 100,000 times 10. Your policy is worth the present value of $1 million, which means how much money do you need to have today in order to get to $1 million over the next 10 years. Now, while it sounds complicated to come to that calculation, we regularly work with actuarial consultants who do this calculation for us and let us know what the present value is of your long-term disability policy.